In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off safe mode on a Samsung phone. Safe mode is a special setting that helps you troubleshoot problems with your device. However, sometimes you may want to use your phone normally. Turning off safe mode is easy and can be done in just a few steps. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this. Here, you will see a notification that says, Safe mode is on. To proceed, tap on this notification. After tapping it, a pop-up will appear asking you if you want to turn off safe mode. In this pop-up window, you'll see two options, turn off and cancel. To disable safe mode, simply tap on turn off to confirm your choice. Once you've confirmed by tapping turn off, your phone will automatically restart. This process may take a few moments, so be patient as it reboots. After restarting, check if all your apps are accessible again. If everything appears as usual and there's no mention of safe mode at the bottom left corner of your screen anymore, congratulations, you've successfully turned off safe mode. To recap, swipe down from the top of your screen, tap on the safe mode is on notification, confirm by selecting turn off, and wait for your device to restart. It's as simple as that. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.